Hello guys, very good morning. Today for intraday trading, I have selected Tech Mahindra again in this week. So let us discuss the reason why I have selected Tech Mahindra. Very first reason for selection of this stock is that it's a uptrend. That means dominating pressure in this stock is buying, and currently stock has just tested its previous support zone. Now it has came out of that support zone. So first reason is that dominating pressure in this stock is buying, and this particular demand zone is getting tested yesterday in the last I think in the last trading hour, and after that price has came out, and I was expecting that it will go again here and retest then came back, but that was not happened. Price has resumed its uptrend. So I have made my position on 1802 rupees, and let us see what will happen. So two regions, along with that market is in green. So that has indicated me to go for long in this stock. I have taken trade on 940 candle. My target is 1817. So actually stock is near to my target. Let us see what happened. My stop loss is on this level, that is 1795, because this is the latest swing low that is created by the Techem while resuming its uptrend after touching this strong support zone. So 1:2 risk reward ratio that I am looking, because market is looking somewhat range bound. So I have expected that price will at least touch this level 1819 or 1820. So before that I have placed my uh, target. So let us see what happen, whether it will hit my target or not. 1817 is my target, and then I will go to the analysis part, and what is the analysis and what is the result, because still I'm in profit. And then I will also let you know that what is the learning lesson that I have learned from this lesson. So let us see, let us observe this trade live. Yes, now my target has been hit. So let me cancel. Okay, I have cancelled my stop loss order, so that if price will come here, and then I will not re-enter in the stock. So let us discuss the analysis part. As I have already told you region, and after that we have uh, seen the trade, and as I have told you initially that I will tell you the analysis in detail once the trade is completed. So let us start the analysis part. So first reason that drive me to take a long position in this stock is its dominant pressure. It is in uptrend. Tech Mahindra is in a complete uptrend, and dominating pressure in this stock is buying. Both are the same thing. Both are the same thing, but they have their own meaning. So presence of dominant pressure also indicate that if the price, or it will be confirmed by the price action once the price move into the recently created demand zone. In this case of Techem, you can clearly see first the price was rejected by the sellers, or reject price got rejection over here around 1780, and on the same date I think it has been it has broken and moved up. So this has become a support zone that is actually proved by this movement. Here you can see a long below shadow came that pushed the price again in the upward momentum. So price moved, again came in this, and again buyers came, pushed the price again back to in the upward momentum. Here again price came pushed by the buyers. So now this has become a very strong support zone for the price in the 5-minute chart. Now here again price came again in this zone after creating a new high. So you can, let me zoom in the chart here. In the last trading hour yesterday, price was here. So actually, this stock is in my list. In this week, I have already traded in this stock. So out of 4 days, 2 days I have traded in BPCL, and the second day today I am taking again trade in TechM. So only two stocks I have traded in this week. So basically I have an idea where is the demand that will be created for this stock. So once the price came again in this region yesterday in the last trading hour, I started watching this. I was expecting that if market will move in downward direction, then this level will become a very good resistance. So once the price will come here for retesting, and at that time if it will create any kind of reversal candlestick pattern, then I will enter in this stock. But that will not happen. So as I have to follow the price, because market is supreme, so price has told me no, I'm not going down, I'm going up. So again it has started creating its upward momentum. So when this first swing high was created in the morning around 9:25 candle, so again I was open to take position near about high once uh, hammer or a morning star was formed. Then I have taken position by giving the stop loss below this 1780 or around 1780, or this recent low. But again price has another thing in the mind and started moving upward. So I followed the price and entered in the long position, and very here around, yes, near this 10:35 candle I have booked my profit. And after that price has moved, it has given me, if I was there in the stock, 1:3 was given to me by this stock. But as per my analysis, 1:2 was sufficient for this stock, so I have taken and booked it. So learning lesson for this stock is that let the market do its own way. You have your plan for exit and entry. Most important thing is that you must have the plan for exit, because that is the only thing that will make sure that either you will be in profit or loss. Yes, exit will be the most important thing that you should always keep in your mind, because that is the only thing that will keep you in profit for the longer time. If you book small losses and longer and bigger profit, then at the end of month or at the end of your trading duration, you will see yourself in the green zone. So this is the learning lesson. So focus on your entry and exit, and these two are the uh, part of trading, day trading, but a later concept. But here I am saying that if you are trading now, then please keep these 2 points in your mind. Always plan your entry and exit as perfectly as you can. So thank you.